we are looking through some auction stuff. Maybe we'll get something. We already picked up one item. It's a sickle, pull type sickle. It's pretty old. But yeah, we're hoping to be able to maybe get one of these mini excavators. H12R. It's a little one, super tiny. You gotta remove the rear. It's got the on-off switch, hydraulics. I think this would work though. I mean, controls up here, but it's so small that you can reach them just fine. Look how short this is. 0.1 hours on this machine. 0.1 hours, brand new. These things are pretty cool too. Mini skid steer. It's got a bigger engine. Controls are all right here. Can't see the hours because you have to turn it on. I'm not sure what the resale value on one of these would be though. If the market's good or not. It would be nice to have one of these. Right now we don't have the money though. If we bought one, it would be to resell until we get enough cash saved up to get one for ourselves. Check out that thing. I don't think we have use for that. Miva VA13 looks about the same size as the H12R that's over there.
It has such weird controls. What if I just hop in it?
Yep. Same thing on the back. You got to take the panel off.
So tiny.
Probably just remove it and leave it off.
That's like owner manual or something.
Oh yeah, it actually has a manual. That's extra special. They usually don't come with manuals. Yeah, we need this.
We need this for the hoop shed. It's like heavy duty.
Yeah. The drawers look a little wonky in there, but I think it would work. I bet it'll sell for too much though.
Yeah.
Look at that. Look at all those hydraulic hoses. Those will sell for a lot, I bet. All right, we got a red VA13 here. Ooh, I wish this was the sickle we got.
Oh.
This one doesn't look rusted solid like ours.
Oh yeah.
There we are. I like the red. Otherwise, it looks pretty similar to the last one.
It's so skinny. It's so small. How do your legs fit in there?
Manual thumb. Oh, talking about that, I've got to check my messages. I bet the guy coming to buy our hydraulic thumb messaged me when we were loading that, and I ignored the beep. All right, got to pause the video here. All right, this one's different. RT12R. It is so little itty bitty. It's like a toy, but a fun toy. ATS. Yeah. So that a few of them sell in the big auction yesterday. The 12s were going for like $2,600, then after buyer's fee. That's pretty high for 12s in an auction. Ooh, here's a gray one. There's a gray one over here, and a green one over there. There's all kinds of goodies. Nice big tiller. What do we got here? ATS ME18. The 18s were going for $4,400 at an auction. That's a lot. $4,400 for these.
What is this, a sand shifter or something?
There's nothing that special about this.
I think it's even less supported or less safe. There's no front one.
It's a sand shifter.
This looks very similar to the MX-15RX. Little different, but yeah. I guess for the extra $1,000 you get a lock for your hydraulic tank. It doesn't even have the hydraulic thumb. Yep, anybody need a big axle? Looks heavy duty, put that in your truck.
Turbine. Tell me that's not what
That's to make your excavator go faster. MH12RX. Nice and pretty blue. Okay, here you're not going to hit your knees quite as easily. Switches here.
This one's cool. I want
I
this.
do like this one.
Yeah,
It's small, but I like it. Ooh, look at the rust. How about the drive motors? Is it the BMERs? No, these look different.
Semi-headlights.
This one has a door.
Look at this. It's a washer pile.
Dual hydraulic pump. They need a pile of semi-headlights. Peterbilt.
This one.
Hot water heaters. Pressure washers. These go for a
And
lot.
plus, it heats up the
These sell for a lot of money usually.
up.
All kinds of goodies. I don't see any hoop sheds. There's no hoop sheds. There's another
God, this is one.
mini skid steer.
Plastic panel.
Trencher.
Ooh,
Oh,
this
yep.
looks like a panel.
We sure could use those.
We sure could use this.
Yep, sweeper.
This looks
Here we
like
go.
an excavator
There we go.
attachment.
These are probably bigger though. These are probably the 35 millimeter pins.
Yo, these are cool.
Oh, I like this thing.
It has all these. It has a gas gauge.
Look at all those gauges.
I want this. Just drive around there.
They sure make it look pretty. Just got the bigger engine. Yep. But you gotta remove bolts to get at it.
It's this flat.
760. Yep. There we go, another MH12RX and ooh, ME18.
Look at that.
Still just got the 420 engine.
No diesel?
No, not diesel. I don't think they have any diesel ones here. Doesn't even have the hydraulic thumb. This is going to sell for a lot just because it says 18. Yeah, it's got bird poop on it already. Seat's probably molding. Look at all that moisture.
I like this one too.
Yep. FT36C.
Gas.
Oh, this got the smaller 420 engine.
This one doesn't have the gas gauge.
No, this one's not as nice. Yep. Well, the fan should just always be on.
Oh yeah.
Now you have to turn it on.
All kinds of cool stuff here. This auction had stuff selling for $80,000+ though. So deep pockets were bidding on this stuff. Let's hope the online only one goes different. But yeah, we probably were the cheapest people picking up today. Our total bill invoice was $108.
What is
The guy checking us out even mentioned, big bill today, huh? We were almost definitely the cheapest people at this auction.
Maybe even.
It's cool. I don't think that's going to fit on your mini excavator. Compare that to the size of my foot.
It's like the size of a big excavator.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's not-
ST636C.
It's
That
not
should have the
mini.
420 engine. Yeah. These would be fun. Ideally, you want the larger engine one though. I assume there's a reason that the others have bigger engines. Old brush mower, looks like a Woods Dixie cutter. It's like a 5-foot.
It's tank track. Is that not tank track?
No, I don't know what they are. Some kind of track, not for a tank though. Whoa, big 40G.
Is this a generator?
It's a welder generator, the big 40G. Is this gas or diesel? G probably means gas. Ah,
Welder
too bad it wasn't diesel.
generator and
3323. Oh, very limited generator outputs.
Like, who makes a big thing with
3 kilowatt. 3 kilowatt only.
Jeez, that's
The size of that thing, and it's only 3 kilowatt. No, it'd have to be like super cheap for us to get it. We could use it,
yeah.
but there's much better ones out there that we'd rather end up with. Poop pipes?
Yeah.
No, I don't think they're poop pipes.
It looks exactly like poop pipes.
Lick it and find out.
Oh, look at the jack stands.
And then this is the
There's some
top.
big jack stands here. We need those. We need those jack stands.
Would there other jacks be able to
Oh,
get
look
that
at the big
high?
blue one.
Oh!
We got these dog bone creepers.
Dog bone creepers. I don't want to do it.
Normal creepers. Some saws that have been out in the rain.
Dog bone creepers there. Oh, spotlight.
Oil things, detour signs. That's probably going to sell for like $3,000.
Oh, we need
Something dumb.
Oh,
We could use it not for $3,000 though.
look at this. It has a mini jack on top. It has a bottle jack and then the big jack.
You just have to carry it to where you're going to use it.
Yeah.
Like it
That
has,
thing probably weighs 4 tons.
it has a bottle jack on it.
Yeah,
Look at this.
a lot of cool stuff here. Buckets. What are these, batteries? Look at that. Pallet of batteries.
Do they work?
There's maybe 2 with a little bit of charge. Imagine how much that weighs.
Yo,
And watch, we win
it's
that
a
thing.
plow.
It's cheap enough, it'd be worth it.
Plow. Plow for a good tractor.
Oh yeah, that orange. Yep. Oh yeah. Yeah, there's stuff over here we didn't see yet. It's not a huge auction for the online stuff. It's just this group here. All the big stuff sold yesterday. $80,000 items. Working our way back towards the beginning here. We're not going to make it home in time for the guy picking up the hydraulic thumb. This is good. Rolling Thunder. Rolling Thunder. We'll bid on that if it's cheap enough. But yeah, we're not just ditching the guy. My wife is home. I told her we might have to rely on her.
Wait, there's another one.
We were hoping to be home on time, but okay. And one of these. Is this the good one with the bigger engine? Yes, it is.
Guy with the same thing that we have. That one
Maybe we should have bid on that sickle instead.
should be on both.
Somebody bought a nice tractor. All right, we got a teeny tiny 8 horsepower generator. Oh, a trailer too.
It's ours.
If that was like
Looks a little better.
$30 or less.
Looks like a little
I doubt
better.
it. I doubt it'll stay that price though. All right, there we go. Another 18. No, this is a 12. It's a gray 12. ATS D12D. Maybe it means it's diesel.
Yo, look at this.
Kinda doubt that. That ain't no diesel.
Look at this.
Oh, it doesn't even have the colorful mats. Honestly, that mat's not that bad, but look at all the water. Check this out. Look at all the water that it's hiding in there.
Boy.
Yeah, you're gonna want to take that off, I'm sure. D12D. It's a nice little excavator. Another skid steer. This got the good engine?
Yep.
Okay. Yes, it is. Zon's in. The best money can buy. I don't know what these are. Something that we're not going to bid on. Bunch of cones. Cone bases.
This one for
yeah.
inside and out.
Pretty cool. We have no use for that at all.
How does this one work?
Pure energy. Oh, air compressor. A big one. Yeah. Look at this. Look at this big conveyor belt.
So I don't get this for the next auction, all this stuff?
Monday night.
Oh.
No riding. That's a nice one there. Need a plow blade? Plow your driveway, get the snow off real quick with that. Alright. A lot of cool stuff. There's our sickle. That's what we got at the first day auction. I don't know if we'll win anything tomorrow night or not. Probably not. Yeah, I don't know why I didn't get a video of it while it was in the trailer. That was such a tight fit. $3,400 for a mini skid steer. We got a RT12 for $2,400. Let's just look through some of these results here and see what these sold for. Another $2,950, $2,500 for another 12 size. Scrolling up through here, some of these things are looking pretty high. $2,600 for a 13. And if you're keeping it for yourself, that's good. But if you want to resell it, no. $2,450 for a 13. There we go. $2,250 for a 12. $4,200 for an 18. Yeah, remember looking at these things here. $2,850 for those skid steers. $2,600 for that one. And those are the ones with the smaller engines, the 420 engines, I believe. $3,400. Alright, so it stormed like crazy last night. Lots of lightning, thunder, and rain. That's why we need to get a generator. Yeah, this mini excavator auction that we're hoping to get a mini excavator at. Well, we didn't get a mini excavator, but we got a generator. So it's time to go up to pick up our goodie from the auction. Unfortunately, I'm going alone, so hopefully they'll help me load it into the back of the truck. Yeah, with storms, it's a good idea to have a generator. So let's hope this thing works. That's always a risk at these auctions. Yeah, let's head on up there. It's about an hour away. Here we are. It's a busy day here today.